Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are watching 3-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location. Here is the nearby attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of photos is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Category 5. Category 6. All guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. 8 categories of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and